Are you ready to start saving money with me in this 52-week savings challenge where we're saving for our emergency fund? Well, if you're not, go ahead and do whatever you need to do to get prepared to save money with me in this 52-week savings challenge, so you will have money to tap into in case you have an emergency. It is an easy one, and all you need to do is take small amounts of money, and that will help you get your emergency fund started and keep it going. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund, which is so very important to have. Yes, it is. You don't want to be caught without an emergency fund. If you have an emergency and you just take the time and take small amounts of money, put it away to the side, it adds up over time. You can save for an emergency fund. Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and this is savings challenge number 3, which I do on Wednesdays. The reason why I had to kind of think about it, because I had gotten behind, and the last few days I've been trying to catch up. And so today I'm caught up, but I haven't posted yesterday's video yet. So that's going to get posted today, plus this one, and I'll be all caught up. Well, what happened was, I usually film before I go to work, but I had decided to start work earlier. And I thought, well, if I go to work earlier, I can get off earlier, and then I can come home and film and, get the video posted and everything. But when I was coming home, I was like too tired to do it. I did it a couple times, but I was like, I was too tired. So it kind of threw me behind. So I think I'm going to have to start getting back up and filming before I go to work. I can do it. Yeah, so anyway. So yeah. Now, I have 7 savings challenges. And like I said, it's savings challenge number 3, which I do on Wednesdays. And what you need for this savings challenge is, I forgot to put the money out. Hold on. Yeah, I can't do the savings challenge without the money. So what you need for this savings challenge is something to put the money in, something like this. And this is considered cash stuffing. This is a photo album. And this was just something I picked up out of Dollar Tree, happened to be in there getting some other things and saw it. And I was like, oh, that'd be good for cash stuffing. And you're going to need this. What is this? A $10 bill. Okay? All right. Yeah. And this particular photo album has 50 pages. And once it's all stuffed, it is going to equal $500. And I mean, it's almost completed too. And we know we need to save at least $1,000, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000. Okay? So, but you don't want to stop there. You want to save. Oh, okay. Let me say this first. This will be $500, and oh no, I said that you need to save $1,000, and it will cover emergency up to $1,000. Okay, now once this is all stuff, it's going to be $500, and that can go towards your $1,000 emergency fund. Okay, and then once you save the $500, then you start over. Okay, So 500 and 500, that's 1,000. And I came up with this idea because I figured sometimes somebody might say, oh, $1,000, that's too much. Well, if you just see, what all I got to do is get 500, I could do that, and then another 500. You know, it's just the way you see things, you know? And it's more than one way to skin a cat. Yeah. Okay, so, yeah. And then you don't want to just save $1,000. You want to save 3 to 6 months of your living expenses in case something like this happens. You will have money to tap into. And you know, sometimes I think about these people that wasn't getting paid during the government shutdown. I know I saw a video where this one lady was saying that, you know, at first she was like, okay, that's fine. You know, I got some money saved, but eventually ran out. So, you know, if you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your cell phone, your electric bill, your car payment, your car insurance, your life insurance. 3 to 6 months, you can still do those things for 3 to 6 months. And hopefully by that time you can find, you know, other ways to make money. Yeah, until your situation changes. So we don't want to be, I've said this before, I was off work for 5 months and had nothing saved. If I had been doing what I'm doing now, I could have, you know, lived up. Look, I still made it. Everything was still okay, but it was rough. And I don't ever want to be in that situation again. And I don't have to be in that situation again. And you don't have to be in that situation. Especially if you're working. I don't care how you're making your money. Take some money and put it away to the side. And like I said, I come with these savings challenges using small amounts of money. Okay? All right. And that will keep you from having to run out and get this, and this, and this, and run up a bunch of these. You're going to stay out of this because it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Yes, it is. And you don't want to owe nobody. No, you don't. You don't. You want to be debt free. The Bible teaches us, owe no man nothing. And it also teaches us that the borrower is a slave to the lender. You don't want to be a slave to nobody. No, you don't. And one thing that will really help you also, I don't know why the other card keeps falling on the floor. Oh, well. Yeah, if you can do things like pay this off. Okay, do I have the other card here? Pay this off. You will have extra money, and you could take that money and not only save for emergency, but you can invest it, which can help you to become financially free. Yeah. Okay. Now, this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation, and if this is your situation, because it is working with small amounts of money. Surely, when you get paid, however you get paid, you can come up with $10. Sometimes you have to look at how much money is coming in and how much is going out and see what you can eliminate and take $10 out of that. Or whatever savings challenge you choose, take the money out of something that, like, say for instance, you go into Starbucks all the time. You could go to the store and buy that coffee and make your own coffee, and you have more coffee and say less, and have more money. You will spend less money, and you could take money and put it away for an emergency fund. Okay? All right. Now, and if this is your situation, do whatever you can to increase it. And this will be a good savings challenge because it's working with small amounts of money. Have multiple streams of income, more than one stream of income. Okay? In case something happens to one or your primary one, you have some money to tap into, because you don't want to be in this situation when emergency comes. No, you don't. You want to have money to tap into and go to the grocery store and buy food and meal prep. Yes, food is getting higher, but eating out is expensive and it costs more to eat out than it does to cook. And plus the food is more healthier for you. Yeah. So, And there's something else that we're doing. Where's my card? Oh, where's my affirmation card? Oh, here it is, right here. Okay, now, and another thing we're doing, along with saving money for an emergency fund, we're speaking affirmations every day. I'm giving you an affirmation every day to add to the ones that you already have. So I think we're probably going to do maybe 7 of them. Okay, no more than 10. So get something and write this down and put it where you can find it. I like to put things like that on my, see that note application? That note app right there? That's where I like to put things, because you always have your phone all the time. I'll lose stuff like this trying to carry it around. And say these affirmations every day, all day. Okay? We're going to speak these things into existence. And you literally can speak these things into existence. The last couple of videos, I gave some testimonies on how some things that I spoke into existence, like the dream house that I live in. The house I live in was my dream house. And I kept saying it and saying it and saying it until I'm living in this house. Yeah, then I have another testimony on how the car that I drive, I bought it in 2021. Well, it was a 2018 Range Rover. The Range Rover Evoque, that little small one. It was a little cute red one. So, you know, I was like, oh, I like this. I got to have this. I'm getting it. So anyway, I got the car. And when I sat down to do the financing and everything, I was not happy with the interest rate, but when I was in the dealership, they were getting ready to close. And so I didn't have time to get to my bank to try to get a better interest rate. And then I was thinking, sometimes when a door opens, you got to walk through it. So I was thinking, this was a Saturday evening and they were getting ready to close. So I was thinking, I got to be back at work Monday. And Mondays are a long day, usually. They're not anymore, but they used to be a long day. So I was thinking I wasn't going to be able to get to the bank. So I thought, okay. I went on and went through their financing. And I sat there and I said, I'm going to pay it off early. I said that and I spoke that. And the guy that was working with me just looked at me like, yeah, right, or whatever. So the loan was a 6-year loan. And lo and behold, I paid it off early. Last year, 2024, I paid it off early. But I spoke that. See, and that's what I'm trying to get you all to see. Speaking these things, you speak them long enough, they will come to pass. I'm like this. Everything that I have and wanted, I have it because I spoke it and I believed it and the desire was there. And the Bible says, delight yourself in the Lord and he will give you the desires of your heart. And so I have everything I want. And if I don't have something I want, it's because it's not time for me to have it yet, or it's not for me to have it. But most of the time, everything that I speak, I get it. That's because I'm expecting. We should be expecting things to change for us. Okay, so did I say the affirmation shit? Okay, let me go ahead and say these affirmations. Okay, the first affirmation is, money now cometh to me. Send prosperity now. I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I have more than enough money. My checking account balance is, and write down how much you want your checking account balance to be, whether you want it to be $1 million, $2 million, whatever number you want it to be. Okay? And the next affirmation is, all of my bills are paid and all my needs are met. Okay? All right, so that's money now coming to me. Send prosperity now. I am debt free and I owe no man nothing. I have more than enough money. My checking account balance is, and all of my bills are paid and all of my needs are met. Okay? All right, so we're going to go ahead and count our money, the money we have saved. in this particular savings challenge, okay? All right, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40. I counted that wrong. I'm not counting that over, but that's wrong because it's supposed, wait a minute, is that right? No, it's supposed to be $450 in here. It's $450. I just probably was going too fast, but I'm not counting that over. And then we're gonna add this $10, and it'll be $460. And the reason why I know it's $450 because I counted before I start filming. So yeah. But like I said, I'm not counting it again. Okay, so we're gonna just go ahead and record this. Okay, so today is Wednesday, November 12th. And this is our photo album savings hack, savings challenge. Yeah. We added $10 and the total amount is $460. Yay! Yeah, so that means if you've been doing the savings challenge here and you have an emergency for $300, $200, well, you got it. So, and that's another thing. If you're doing these savings challenge and you have an emergency, go ahead and use the money. Just put it back. Try to double it. If you can't, don't. Okay? Just do what you can when you can and how you can. And also, what I was trying to say, don't put yourself in any bind doing these savings challenges. If you can't do it every week, do it every 2 weeks, do it every month, but do something. You'll be glad that you did. Okay? All right. I want to say, I hope this video was helpful. I hope something was said to help you. I want to say thank you for stopping by. Drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges. Let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.